Hi, I'm John Giles from Michalsons. Many people have been asking us, what's the timeline with POPI? When is it going to commence? When do we have to comply with it by? And related questions. We've developed this slide here, which gives people the overview of the timeline and explains when things are going to happen at what points. We've also recently had indications from the Deputy Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development about these timelines, so we feel that they're reasonably accurate as to what's going to be happening when. POPI was signed on the 26th of November 2013 by the President, so it is law. It's not going to change between now and when it commences. It's going to be as it is. So we know what we need to comply with, and we're not expecting the regulations to make a big difference to that requirement. So we're currently in June 2014, and the next steps for POPI, certain sections of it have already commenced, but really those sections were just to enable the regulator to be formed and for regulations to be drafted. They don't have any of the sections that create regulatory requirements for organizations, so none of that has commenced. We're expecting the true commencement date for the regulatory requirements to be in about April or June or May, around that time in 2015. Organizations will then have a 1-year grace period within which to make all their processing comply. So really it's about April, May or June 2016 is D-Day. That's the day that all your processing must comply with POPI. So we've essentially got around about a 24-month period in which to make all processing comply. So now's the time to be raising awareness in your organization and to be planning what you're going to be doing, what changes you're going to be making, and what you have to do, what action items you need to be taking in order to comply with POPI. The details are all on our website at www.michalsons.co.za.